New tonight, the Michigan State Police says an investigation to allegations in a lawsuit accusing its second in command of misconduct is complete. The agency says the probe has cleared Lieutenant Colonel Aimee Brimacombe of any wrongdoing. And Terry, that lawsuit came out in an incident in Shiawassee County.
Yeah, it did, Matt. 3 troopers were accused of using excessive force during an arrest. Now, the charges were eventually dropped. 2 of those troopers sued Aimee Brimacombe, claiming she pressured a prosecutor to charge them. There are also questions as to Brimacombe's involvement in the settlement of a lawsuit. The state police probe concludes there was nothing improper. The trooper's attorney disagrees.
It's balderdash. That's all it is. It's just spin. It's complete nonsense.
Attorney Patrick O'Keefe commenting on the Michigan State Police investigation into alleged misconduct by Lieutenant Colonel Aimee Brimacombe. In March 2023, 3 troopers were charged with using excessive force after they attempted to stop Jacob Long as he drove off on his bike in Owasso. The charges were dropped, but then troopers Cody Lucas and Justin Simpson filed a lawsuit against Brimacombe, claiming in part she pressured Shiawassee County prosecutor Scott Kerner to file the criminal charges against the troopers. They claim Brimacombe knows Jacob Long's sister. Long, who had methamphetamine on him, was never charged with a crime. The state police says it conducted an investigation which consisted of 21 interviews and claimed the allegations in the lawsuit are unfounded, meaning the alleged acts did not take place. Members of the Shiawassee County Prosecutor's Office were questioned by the investigator, including prosecutor Scott Kerner, who was asked if he was pressured to issue charges against the troopers. Kerner told the investigator he was receiving pressure to make a decision. O'Keefe believes Kerner didn't tell the investigator the truth.
Absolutely. I think he's lying. I know he's lying.
When Brimacombe was interviewed by the investigator, she denied she ever put pressure on Kerner to charge the troopers. Jacob Long eventually filed a lawsuit against the state police, and the internal investigation report shows it was settled for $1 short of $1 million. First Lieutenant Richard Chafee, who handled negotiations on the lawsuit settlement, told the investigator he was aware any amount of $1 million or higher triggers the governor's office to be notified. The report indicates Brimacombe was consulted about the settlement, but Chafee says Brimacombe did not show any personal interest in how the case was settled. O'Keefe says the trooper's own lawsuit will proceed.
These things did happen. If these things did not happen, these troopers who love this department and who put their lives on the line for this department would have never filed suit against Lieutenant Colonel in the first place.
Now, I did speak with the Shiawassee County Prosecutor Scott Kerner, who told me he told the truth during that internal investigation, that he was not pressured by anyone to charge the troopers.